Hello everybody, this is Avery with Online Income, and today I want to show you how you can get paid with your photos. The website I'm on right now is called Dreamstime. This is where you can buy stock photos, videos, and audio recordings for your videos, your advertising campaigns, or whatever else you may need it as an individual or as a company. You can see at the bottom they have some big name companies that are their customers. They have a monthly subscription for people that want to buy the work that's up here, but you can sign up for free. Since right now we're trying to sell our work, our photos to be exact, we're not going to worry about that. But before we sign up, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the right where it says upload and sell photos. Now I'm going to go to the royalties and earnings link and click that so we can see the earnings for registered users. They have 6 different levels, 0 to 5. Each has an increase in earnings once you reach that threshold. The threshold is the same for images, videos, and the audio files, and is through the amount of downloads that you get. Right above shows the requirements for all the media files, and I would suggest taking a look at the requirements in further detail. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. To sign up, you can do exactly as I'm doing right now, or at the top of the menu, you could see a green button that says sign up for free. For me, after I signed in for the first time, they had the pricing and download plans pop up right afterwards. You don't have to worry about that. I ended up just pressing the back button and refreshing it, and it took me to my upload content page. To the right of the upload content page, you can see that it says your approval ratio is 100% and you have 7,000 uploads left for the week. I don't know who's able to upload 7,000 media files in 1 week, but that's your limit. I'm going to go ahead and upload a few pictures, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and go to the unfinished file tab. If you look at the instructions, it says choose commercial for images with no logos and people with identifiable faces that you do have a model release form for. Editorial for images with logos or identifiable people where the model release form can't be provided. When you're finished, you can go ahead and click on whichever one you want. I did commercial, so right now I can see that my photo has the Dreamtime watermark on it, and I can go ahead and fill out the title, description, the tags, and upload the model release form here. At the bottom, I can go ahead and check how I want this photo to be used. Then when I'm done, I can press submit. If another image has finished uploading, the next image will pop up immediately afterwards. All files that have been finished will go into pending, and I can check the pending files tab to see the status on them. All these files I've just uploaded will take 24 hours pending, and then it will take another amount of time to go on review. So after a couple of days, I can go ahead and figure out which files have been approved and which ones haven't. On my profile page, I can see right now I have 12 online files and 3 refused files. I just checked the refused files, and on the right you can see that under privacy it tells me exactly why I got refused. So I can go ahead and press resubmit. At the resubmit tab, I can see all the pending files, and if I want to try to resubmit these, I need to copy and paste the ID and then go back to the image and press add. For this particular photo, it's saying that my image is not suitable for resubmission. Assignment images cannot be resubmitted. So I will have to go upload this image again to figure out how to make this work next time, or just not use it. But let's go to the images that were uploaded, and I'm gonna do that by going to the earning balance and click on the uploads, and see that takes me to online files. I can see all the images that are live, and as I hover over one, you can see that it says edit or get URL, so I can copy the URL. I can also share it directly to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. So I'm gonna go ahead and share one on Facebook, and now you can see how it looks on Facebook. I click on that, and it takes me directly where I can go ahead and download the image. So we are finished with how you can sell your photos. I may decide to make 2 more videos on uploading a video and audio recording as well. That may depend on if I actually have people that want to see that. But hopefully you liked the video, and if it was useful to you, please like, subscribe, share with a friend, share on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you would like to share it. I'll be coming with a video very soon. Thanks for watching.